Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. So let's get to the readings. Let's see what is in store today. So I'm going to take the first card here. I feel I should take the first card. So let's see what it is that is coming. Okay, pay attention to the thoughts. So maybe today new ideas, new thoughts are coming, or maybe today if you're looking in for a I feel when I see this card, I feel whatever you're expecting, a new project, a new company or an interview offer letter from a company where you have recently attended interview, something good is coming and the good news is coming to you soon. It's just that whatever prayers you have been doing for so long, those prayers will get answered today. So you can call on Archangel Uriel and tell him to guide you and bless you and to help you in getting the answers. And if for example you're looking for a new project, or if you're looking for a new company, or if you're looking for offer letter to come from a particular company, then call on him and tell him that if it happens, you will burn a golden candle, uh, res- gi- dedicating it to him, and along with that you will keep for him some water and a cake, and you will give it to someone in need. The cake will be given to someone in need, and I'm sure he's going to help you. But let's see what is another one card which is coming today. Healthy lifestyle. Maybe you've been stressing over too much for whatever you've been thinking, that the new project is not coming in your favor, or you're not getting a job, or you were expecting something else to happen and something else happened, because of which your health is not being taken care of. You've not been eating on time, you have not been sleeping on time, and you have been breaking your head with those things. So today Archangel Raphael says you need to eat. Here, though it says eat a healthful diet and get adequate sleep, I feel you just need to eat what you like eating and get rest for some time. Take a break, and I'm sure that is what Archangel Raphael wants you to do. So let's see what is in the crystal cards. The blue calcite is come. So again here, allow room in your life for the development of inner peace. Maybe peace is something which you're lacking of late, and you just want peace but you don't know how to get it. So now the time has come that you go in search of your inner peace. Tara, that's a beautiful goddess. Speak to her. Also, if possible, today chant 108 times Om Tare Tu Tare mantra, and I'm sure you will feel bliss, you will feel harmonious, and you will feel very, very happy and calm from inside. Today, the color will be white. And in the morning, if possible, add a little bit of milk to your water and have bath in that water, and start your day by chanting the Om Tare Tu Tare mantra, and then call on Archangel Uriel, and I'm sure you're going to have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.